Now, last week I did a very detailed analysis about Supermax and I came to a conclusion around 306 will be a very significant technical level of support. I want to talk about is Supermax. Yeah, how can I forget about Supermax? Now, last week I did a very detailed analysis about Supermax and I came to a conclusion that these 306, not 准准 at 306, but around 306 will be a very significant technical level of support. Okay, so last week it was still doing above 5 ringgit. So this week straight away jumped down to below 4 ringgit. I thought we will be able to see this 3 ringgit, okay, but today a very strong rebound up and still a lot of interest. Now, before I show you the weekly chart, okay, I just want to highlight to you, it is not the first time, okay, it's not, okay, today show a lot of interest, right, but it's not the first time it has done this. Take a look at this green, luminous green, okay, it also done something like this right here, okay, and then everybody thought finally Supermax 春天来了, spring is here, finally is here, so maybe this is the lowest it gets and the glove stock will continue to go up. Mana zai, next day, can you see? Selling immediately after next day, okay, and then it continued to go lower and lower and lower. And over here, once again, everybody thought finally Supermax glove stock got chance already. The buyers are back. Second candle, wow, really is back. Give them a round of applause. Mana zai next week, and continue to sell, or sell, and then there was an increased volume here because vaccine was found. By the way, vaccine was found. A third vaccine, okay, Johnson and Johnson, POM, come down. Now today, again, high volume coming in. Does it guarantee that it will go up, guys? You tell me. If you think guarantee that it will go up, comment yes. If you don't think, if you think it's still risky, comment risk. Okay, if you think it's risky, comment risk. Freddy say risk, yes, risk, right? Medium term is downtrend, risky. Highlight why? Oh, I like this the best. VHQ can earn elsewhere. Highlight. Last week I mentioned about this. Can earn the money elsewhere. Don't have to fall in love with Supermax and want to buy gloves. Now, the most dangerous thinking, I feel, is want to take revenge. Some people like to take revenge, want to take revenge on the glove stock because it has punished them so much, want to take revenge. Don't do that. Okay, you can always make money elsewhere. If you have been hurt by the glove stock, okay, never mind. Look elsewhere. Make the money back from other stock. Okay, maybe AirAsia, maybe Micron, or best Anju. Correct or not? So there are so many other stocks to make back from. Okay, so I want to give this statement a heart shape. Very intelligent VHQ. Very intelligent answer. Okay, now I want to show you that time when I placed a quick trade over at the Supermax at the low. Okay, that time it was much easier. Okay, I will show you the same pattern that I saw and you will also appreciate. Okay, over here before it finishes. I think that was like November. Is it November? I think so. Okay, now this is a buyer coming in. Don't be fooled by the color red. Okay, so if this is buyer coming in after the selling, okay, buyer coming in, I want you to focus on these few candles. Okay, these few candles. Can you see during this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, these 11 candles, okay, buyers are in control at that time during this bounce? Paul saw it, bullish. Highlight. This day, okay, went down significantly and finally closed higher, followed by 2 days of decline with lower volume. So this is the entry, not here, but here. Then subsequently, we thought 就偏, but 3 consecutive days, lower volume, guys, lower volume. So make these buyers still in control. This one goes up, you are in the money. This one pulls back, low volume, you hold. continue to go higher. So therefore, this is a very short-term trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 days, and get out here because the selling volume is very high. Okay, for this bounce. This is the only bounce I find worth to try on Supermax because it was very low at that time. 740, 750, it was very low. Okay, it's as high as 12 ringgit. Came down to 720, 710. So we thought, wow, very low. So the buyer in control, we try. Okay, try, then after that it doesn't work out, continue to come down, luckily take profit and run, don't be stubborn, so make only Starbucks coffee and don't dare to touch this ever again. So that was the only time okay, when it was buyer in control on the daily chart. And also when it starts to come down here, right, you can see that there is a downtrend line, a downtrend line. Okay, a downtrend line from the two previous peak, okay, offering resistance. So it failed around the resistance, likely to continue lower. So that is the clue that if we want to take the Supermax bounce this time round, you want to see the same pattern, guys. Lower volume when it tests the selling. Okay, so this is only day one of the buying. This is only day one of the buying. So I will wait. Okay, I will wait to see that how it tests the selling. If it tests the selling with low volume, then I'm interested. Okay, if not, better don't touch. Better don't touch. Or this stock confirm make money. Confirm the earnings is going to be good. It's just that going forward, average selling price of the glove is coming down. All these talk about vaccination is causing the price to be under pressure. Also, let's not fight the market. If you flip to the weekly chart, multi-time frame, right, you can see a small choice is happening. And it is because it's so far away from my orange line. Okay, it's 4 ringgit now. It can go up to 7 ringgit. This rally, okay, just like this, can go up to this 7 ringgit and fail again. So there's some upside to be made, to be honest. There's some upside to be made. Okay, and last week, is it last week or the week before, I talked about the weekly candle, right? It is expanding with increasing volume. This in itself, these three candles, guys, these three candles in itself is a form of capitulation. Okay, capitulation. Let me spell out the word for you so that because of my lousy spoken English, I'm afraid that you may miss the English word. Capitulation. Okay, this is what I meant. Capitulation happening right here. Okay, this is where massive selling is happening. Let me go to my arrow. This is where massive selling is happening right here. Okay, oops, sorry. Let me just put it back. Hang on a second. Now, this is where massive selling is happening. Okay, the range of the weekly candle in Supermax is expanding as the volume is increasing. It means that a lot of people are selling. Now, you see, this is like a scale. When there are a lot of people sell, there comes a time when no one else is interested to sell, and that will be the point of bounce. You follow me? That tips the balance, and then the bounce must happen. Understand what I'm saying? If you understand what I'm saying, comment yes. A little bit advanced here. Okay. So if you can understand this tip of balance, because there is an increasing range in the weekly candle, black candle, and increasing volume, there is a tip of balance. So therefore, the bounce must happen. I think I spoke about this 2 weeks back when I did the full analysis on Supermax that okay, a bounce is going to happen, but where should it happen? So I was doing a lot of analysis and decided, okay, 3 ringgit. If you come to 3 ringgit, it is going to be damn bloody attractive. Okay, but now it didn't come to 3 ringgit. About 420 starts to bounce. We saw it. Yes, flushing. Flushing is a better word. Flushing. Okay, I know how to see, but because of the broken English, I couldn't find the right word. So this is what I meant lah. Okay, expanding volume, expanding price range is the flushing. Okay, so if the flushing is complete, we may be looking at Supermax 460s all the way to 720 before it die again. Yeah. Also, there is this upside on the weekly chart. So now, just now we talk about Air Asia on the daily chart, right? Let's go and take a look at the hourly chart. Sorry, not daily chart, hourly chart. Now we want to see. Okay, this is the final flush, high volume, buyer come back in on the hourly chart from here all the way to today closing. We do see this buyer in control, am I right? Except for this candle over here. Otherwise, this is buyer in control, buyer in control, buyer in control, right? So therefore, I conclude Supermax on the hourly chart really is showing a very strong sign of buying, guys. Surprise, right? Last week, 2 weeks back, I was so bearish about Supermax. 1 week later, 2 weeks later, suddenly the Supermax starts to show buying. Okay, maybe the flush is done with. Okay, finally there is some buying happening right now. Okay, so it is not an automatic buy, guys. It's not an automatic buy. We just, based on this analysis, we can see that, okay, there is flushing. The intraday chart is showing buyer in control. So going forward, if we want to trade this Supermax, okay, how do we do it? That is the more important question. So firstly, you want to see pullback on low volume, definitely on low volume. At the next volume spike, guys, at the next volume spike, you apply this strategy. Volume trigger, volume trigger. Okay? Wow, Kelvin, I talk until like that, you interested already, to muscle Supermax, okay? So this is yeah, hourly chart, okay? So you want to see low volume decline or consolidate, and then return of the volume spike. Okay, return of volume spike, then you apply this method, volume trigger. All right. Now, what about the uptrend line? Okay, the uptrend line. Is there an uptrend line to be drawn? Yeah, don't have. Okay, so let's go back to the daily chart. Okay, daily chart, I need to extend this downtrend line. I need to extend this downtrend line to cover, okay, to know where is our target. To know where is our target. Actually, it's not 7 ringgit. Sorry. It's not 7 ringgit. Based on the daily chart, this bounce from 4 plus go to 5 plus, 5 plus, okay, maybe to 5 plus. So it is not really to 7, so it's to 5 plus. So until here, if it reverse again, then it is very bearish. Okay, now there is one very important support that hold for a damn long time. Okay, this is the level 580. Okay, 580, 540 is the level 540. You can see it was supported here, it was supported here. Okay, this is the massive selling where it bounced. This is the massive selling where it bounced. So this is very important level in Supermax. So we want to watch it. Okay, now, I am more greedy. I not only want to watch it, but I want to configure alert to remind me, okay, to look at Supermax when it trades there. So I draw my horizontal alert line and put 9th of April as the expiry date for the alert. Okay, so what I have just done is, if Supermax trades to there, I want to be alerted to be careful. So I look back. When it alert me, right, it will appear here under live alerts. Okay, you can see under manage alerts, this Supermax already appearing here. Okay, horizontal crossing up and down. So once it trigger, then I know that, whoa, it's very near the resistance. So support broken, turn resistant So whether it will clear or not, I want to be alerted. So I put this line to remind me to take a look at this Supermax if it trades there. And next, more importantly, is after this alert is set, it doesn't only send to your software over here, okay? It will send to your Telegram like this. It will look like this. Interesting. This is the whole day alert. Okay, you can see Wednesday, 3rd of March. This is the whole day alert. Some of them is I set myself. Let me show you the difference. Trendmaster V3 is the system strategy. Okay, so this is V3. Great Tech. This is my personal alert. I draw one line on Great Tech to remind myself to take a look at the stock if it trades there. Okay, so later I will show you. Okay, GK is a Singapore stock, my Singapore stock. Okay, and also Lion Industry. I put a volume to remind myself to take a look at Lion Industry. So at just before lunch, 11:30, I received an alert. So let's take a look. Okay. Right here, we took a look at this Great Tech, right? Great Tech, where are you? Okay, Great Tech horizontal, right? So I click on it. You can see this red line, remember, I'll show you, this red line is my trailing stop line. So if the stock trades below this red line, okay, and red arrow will come out to remind me to get the hell out of the stock. So I put my alert line on this red line to remind me if it trigger, please send a telegram message to me so that I know. So my system now is smart enough. You can set the alert and it will trigger and send an alert to your mobile phone through the telegram. 厉害吗? Is this very good? If you feel that this is very good, comment BAIK, B-A-I-K, BAIK, B-A-I-K. If you think this feature is very good, comment BAIK.
Please subscribe.